हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज सनी। वेलकम टू सनी कोचिंग क्लासेस। आज हमारे साथ हैं सुखरीत। इन्होंने पंजाब पैरामेडिकल एंट्रेंस टेस्ट PPMET में ऑल ओवर सेकंड रैंक जो है वो अचीव किया है और इसके साथ साथ ये PGI भी क्वालिफाई कर चुके हैं। तो PGI और PPMET दोनों एग्जाम्स में क्या डिफरेंस रहता है और दोनों को प्रिपरेशन हमें करनी कैसे चाहिए, इनसे इनकी सीक्रेट स्ट्रेटजी भी जानेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ। प्लीज़ सुखरीत अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए। आपका नाम, कहाँ से हो, कौन कौन से एग्जाम में कितना कितना रैंक है?
Hello everyone, my name is Sukhreet Kaur and I am from Sultanpur Lodi. I have secured second rank in PPMET and I have also qualified PGI-MER.
ठीक है, PPMET और PGI-MER दोनों का आप परसेंटाइल बता सकते हो कितना कितना रहा?
In PPMET I have secured 99.93 percentile and in PGI-MER I have got 97.64 percentile.
ठीक है जी। तो अभी फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस क्या है, PGI या PPMET?
It's obvious it's gonna be PGI.
ठीक है, इस वीडियो को हम दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं। पहले PGI के बारे में ही बात कर लेते हैं।
Okay sir.
ओके, इन दोनों के अलावा आपने वैसे कोई और एंट्रेंस भी दिया है?
Oh sir.
ठीक है, तो PGI और PGI का जो लेवल है, डिफिकल्टी लेवल, वो बोर्ड एग्जाम से कितना डिफरेंट है?
It's quite tricky if I compare to the boards. And
ठीक है। PGI-MER में फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो, इसके साथ कोई और भी सब्जेक्ट आया था?
yes sir, it included like GK and English was also there.
ठीक है, इनमें से सबसे डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट कौन सा रहा?
This time it was chemistry. Expected was physics, but it turned out chemistry.
ओके, फिजिक्स में लेंथी न्यूमेरिकल्स नहीं थे?
No, they were not lengthy.
ठीक है, इजी थे।
Yes, they were easy.
ओके, एंड बायो?
Bio was also okay and it was okay.
ठीक है। कंप्लीटली NCERT बेस है एग्जाम या आउट ऑफ NCERT भी क्वेश्चंस रह सकते हैं?
There were some questions which were out of NCERT also, but it was quite NCERT based.
ओके, तो NCERT जो पोर्शन है वो तो हर स्टूडेंट प्रिपेयर कर ही लेता है।
Yes sir.
हाउ कंप्लीटेड द आउट ऑफ NCERT पोर्शन?
It was all because of you sir. The material which you provided, it included quite questions which were like out of NCERT, especially the portal, which was very like helpful for me.
ठीक है, ठीक है। आपने प्रिपरेशन वैसे ऑनलाइन करी या ऑफलाइन?
It was online.
Okay. Why nursing? Because after 12th medical, many students try to pursue MBBS and other courses. Why you have selected nursing only?
It's because of its scope in foreign and it has number of advantages. I pretty feel like it's quite relaxing and it involves good salary also, to be honest.
ठीक है जी, गुड। PGI-MER की प्रेपरेशन के लिए क्या स्टडी मटेरियल हमें एक्चुअल में फॉलो करना चाहिए?
NCERT is mandatory, everyone know, but still like it has many questions which are out of NCERT. It includes GK also, English which is also like quite of level. We can't say that it is easy. So yeah.
Okay, which material actually you have followed? आपने कौन कौन से मटेरियल क्या कुछ फॉलो किया?
It was NCERT and portal which was provided by you sir, and number of things like you people provided us many like PDFs also, and there were many things like which was especially the portal, that's the main thing.
ठीक है जी। What is the role of full syllabus mock test papers for PGI-MER?
In order to know our level, that how much we have prepared, there were weekly tests which were conducted by you people. It helped me to know that how much I have prepared, and in portal also had like number of questions which were for practice also. It helped us to know that how much we have prepared.
ठीक है जी। For PGI-MER, what should student focus first? Student should focus more on theory part or more on numericals या questions part?
Both have like proper role, but for physics numericals are first and foremost, then theory.
ठीक है। What was your source of motivation or role model during the preparation?
Role model and okay, so the classes were conducted like normally 3 hours, and then they shifted to 6 hours, sometimes 12 hours. The dedication which you people carried during the class and the energy, the same energy was there, whether it was 12-hour class, whether it was 6-hour class. It was such a dedication for me that if these people who are teaching us, they are having such energy, why can't we? It was actually a dedication for me. And during the classes I used to feel sometimes quite out of the confidence, like I thought maybe I'm not able for it, and I used to ask you people, and only thing you people told me that just don't worry and keep practice. That's what I carried on. What I did was my practice, and of course my parents supported me with that preparation days.
Okay. That comes to the next question. What is the role of parents, family and friends?
Their support, and like they also motivate us, like the every day my dad wake up at 6 a.m, my mom wakes up at like 5:30. These people are like very motivating, like the way they keep doing on their duty. Our duty is to study, so that's it.
3 common mistakes which students should avoid during the preparation of PGI-MER.
Lack of consistency. There should be consistency every time, and they shouldn't lose their focus. And thirdly, they should be confident about themselves. They shouldn't doubt themselves. They should like keep doing hard work.
Okay. 3 must follow tips for PGI.
PGI. First is again consistency, and secondly focus, and of course the hard work.
ठीक है जी. When did you join our course?
I joined the course on like it was 13th March, if I remember the exact date.
13th March.
Yes.
Okay.
And our exam, it was a bit delayed. If I talk about PPMET, it
It was conducted around mid of August.
Yes.
Okay. So you got enough time for preparation, especially
Yes.
for PPMET.
Yes, sir.
And PGI-MER was also delayed actually.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What was your biggest fear during the preparation time, and how you dealt with it?
It was doubting myself. I thought I'm not able to do it. Maybe I will not be able to cope up with the syllabus, and I won't be able to do the numericals, especially being a medical student, I know that. And so yeah, that was the fear. But as you people told me, just keep on doing practice. You'll deal with it, you will cope up with it. And later on, due to my practice during like in July, we were almost free because we were having enough time. Then I realized during the mock test series, I was able to solve the questions. Then I realized that yes, I can do.
ओके. एक्चुअली जब आपने प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करी इन द मिड ऑफ मार्च, तो एग्ज़ाम डेट नहीं होती हमारे पास. वी डोंट नो कि हमारे पास एग्जैक्टली 2 months हैं, 3 months हैं. वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट. और तब से सबसे पहले माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि इन द मंथ 2 months है, 3 months है, वी डोंट नो क्या हम सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर भी पाएंगे, मतलब बिकॉज 2 साल का सिलेबस है पूरा, +1 +2, और इसमें रिड्यूस टॉपिक जो रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स थे आपके +1 2, क्या वो भी आए थे?
Yes.
ठीक
They
है.
were also there.
हाँ, तो क्वेश्चन ये होता है कि इतना सिलेबस हम कर भी पाएंगे नहीं. कभी आपने ये डाउट करा स्टार्टिंग में?
Yes. Yes, that was thing that was also tackling me. But since you people told us that don't worry, we'll do the syllabus, whether it's 2 months, whether it's 1 month. There were many students who actually joined the classes later. They also let with it, and they cleared their exam also.
सिलेबस फिनिश हो गया था बिफोर एग्जामिनेशन डेट, प्रॉपर मॉक टेस्ट, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग वाज फॉलोड.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, गुड. आपको सनी कोचिंग क्लासेस के बारे में पता कैसे चला?
It was through YouTube and one of my relatives also.
Okay. So when you have joined, you must be having some expectations towards us. Were we able to fulfill that?
Yes, I was impressed by the mock test series and especially the portal, and it was worth it.
ठीक है. In PGI-MER especially, there is negative marking.
Yes.
How to avoid that?
If you're sure about the question, then go for it. If you're 50-50, just do it twice. If you are sure, then go for it. If you're not sure, then just leave it. You can leave the questions. It's better to avoid rather than going for the negative marking.
ठीक है. तो जैसे आप बता रहे थे कि अराउंड 10 hours 12 hours की क्लासेस भी चल जाती थी, तो इतनी सीटिंग देने की प्रैक्टिस क्या +1 2 के टाइम से ही है कि अभी?
No, it was just your people's dedication, as I told you, and it just worked for me.
ठीक है. तो मतलब ये ट्रांजिशन कैसी रही? इट वाजंट डिफिकल्ट कि पहले तो हम इतना, बिकॉज 10-12 आवर्स की अगर क्लासेस चली गई तो इसके साथ साथ सेल्फ स्टडी को भी टाइम देना होगा. बिफोर एग्जामिनेशन व्हाट वाज योर स्टडी साइकिल, कितने आवर्स किस टाइम को कैसे कैसे देते थे?
I used to study like 7 to 8 hours, not more than that.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, ठीक है। तो वही मतलब इतना टाइम मेंटेन करना लाइक बहुत लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन हो जाएगी और कंसिस्टेंटली डेली निकालना, वाजंट इट डिफिकल्ट?
Yes, it was difficult in the beginning, but later on it just worked. It just became a routine.
ठीक है। हाउ टू स्टे फोकस्ड फॉर प्रिपरेशन?
In order to stay focused, just fix your ambition, see the people around you, see the people who are expecting from you. Just think about them once. That's it.
ठीक है। नेक्स्ट ईयर सम स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट बी प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर PGI MER. हाउ विल यू गाइड देम? व्हाट आर योर सजेशंस फॉर देम?
If you ask me, then my suggestion will be go for the Sunny coaching classes. It will be worth it. I tell you, it will be worth it. And yes, keep on doing your practice. Stay focused. Yes, you surely achieve your goals.
Thank you. Did you expected it to do so well?
No, I wasn't expecting because my basics were actually quite weak in the beginning, especially my physics was actually weak. But later on, due to practice and dedication, it just worked. Even I was overwhelmed when I got to know that I got second rank. I wasn't expecting that.
How does it feel to be a topper on the list?
It's really nice. Your parents feel proud, your teachers will feel proud. What's more than that?
Now let's come to PPMET. Do you remember the examination pattern of PPMET and PGI MER?
Okay. For PGI-MER, the marking scheme was for chemistry, physics and biology. There were 25 marks each subject, and then if we move to English, there were 15 questions, and in case of GK, there were 10 questions. And if we move to PPMET, there were 100 questions this time, and it included like nursing aptitude. There was physics, there was chemistry, biology, and English also.
20 questions from each subject, right?
Yes, sir.
And was there any negative marking in PPMET?
There is a negative marking, like if you will skip the questions, of course, there will be negative marking. But if you will attempt, then there will be no negative marking.
Okay. What was the difficult subject from PPMET?
In PPMET, almost same.
ठीक है। For PPMET, what should we focus more on, theoretical part or more on the questions part?
Okay, so in PPMET, biology has like more weightage, so go for it first and give weightage to like each and every subject, give time to each and every subject. I'm not saying that go for biology only, but since it has nice weightage, so focus on it and then give time to physics and chemistry also.
Okay. In PPMET, your percentile was
93.
99.93 percentile. Okay, that's wonderful. Can you recommend? Can you provide some tips for the next year students who are preparing for PPMET? How to be on top of the list?
Consistency first and foremost. Don't lose it. To practice every day. Go for biology. Make notes if you are having any kind of doubt or any kind of you have made any mistake in biology. And for physics, do practice like as you people provide portal. I used to practice it a lot, I do remember. So if you have any kind of source, then just keep on practicing numericals. Same for chemistry also, keep on practicing it as it has physical chemistry, you know. So yes.
How is nursing aptitude? Is it so difficult?
No, it's not that difficult. It's almost like, just like biology, just it's just a bit of quite different, not too much different. It's almost like biology.
Was there any portion out of NCERT in PPMET?
Yes, there were certain questions there which were like out of NCERT.
How did you prepare out of NCERT portion?
The notes provided by you people, the study material, and of course portal also has questions which are out of NCERT, so it was enough to cover something like if there was something out of NCERT.
Now your first preference is PGI MER, of course.
Yes.
What is your second preference under PPMET? Can you recommend 2 or 3 colleges according to you which you must be selecting under PPMET?
Okay, for PPMIT, the colleges are GMC Patiala, GMC Amritsar, and Faridkot.
Okay. As you belong to BC category, right?
Yes, sir.
There are almost sure chances for admission under PGI MER as well. But if you have to select only one college under PPMIT, what is your top recommended college?
If you ask me, then sir, it's gonna be GMC Patiala.
Okay, wonderful. What are your future plans after BSc Nursing?
After BSc Nursing, I'm looking forward to go to abroad.
Okay. Is there any chance you get some kind of government job as a staff nurse, will you still go for foreign?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For further studies or for further jobs?
Job purpose.
Okay. Can you repeat please your rank and percentile in both PPMIT and PGI MER?
In PPMIT, my rank was second and percentile was 99.93, and in PGMAR, I have secured 97.64 percentile.
Okay. Any tips for time management?
So, as everyone knows that biology is easy for medical students, especially it's quite easy. So go for biology first, and to give time to physics and chemistry also. But once if you realize that you have done, like, you are quite revised with your syllabus for biology, then give time to physics, chemistry, go for it. Like, I did have the time, so once my biology was done, I did give my time to physics and chemistry.
Okay. आप आंसर्स बहुत करेक्टली बहुत अच्छे दे रहे हैं, तो सम स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट कमेंट कि हमने आपको पहले से सिखा के बिठाया कि इन क्वेश्चंस के ये आंसर देने हैं, तो आई जस्ट वांट टू बी श्योर कि ये स्क्रिप्टेड तो नहीं है ना, आपको पहले तो नहीं बताए हुए क्वेश्चन? Okay, great. Bas last two questions. What is your overall review about Sunny coaching classes?
So my experience with the classes was really very nice, and of course the aura was amazing, and yes, I would suggest everyone to go for the institute, and yes, their study material is actually nice, that the exam turned out like a cakewalk for me, so go for it.
Okay, can we share this video in future on our social media platforms?
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग योर टाइम सुप्रीत। हम यही प्रे करते हैं कि आप ऐसे ही अपना हार्डवर्क करते रहो, अपनी डिजायर्ड मंजिल पे पहुंचो। थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर। थैंक यू।